But the likelihood of it being granted is probably slim to none.
Thursday, the lawyer for Michelle Troconis at Stamford Court filing for a new trial and going a step further in filing for an acquittal, both formalities in the legal process.
So essentially what he's laying out is what he feels is how his client was prejudiced by the court's rulings.
Last week, Troconis was found guilty by a jury on all 6 counts involving the death of Jennifer Farber-Dulos. Walter Hussey, an Eyewitness News legal expert, explains why these motions have been filed.
He's basically saying to the judge, look, you made a mistake. He lists about 13 different paragraphs where he feels the court made mistakes or errors, and he's asking for a new trial on that basis. Some of the stuff has to do with closing arguments. Some of it has to do with jury selection. Some of it has to do with the admissibility of evidence.
But for either of these to happen, the court would have to rule against itself, which Hussey says is highly unlikely. For now, Troconis remains in custody on a $6 million bond. Hussey says the motions may not be granted, but it does set up for an expected appeal after sentencing.
It makes a very clear record going forward, and it basically tips anyone that's paying attention to this what John feels the errors were, and he's probably going to take up on the appeal.